there, kindergartners. Welcome back to the Math Lab. Today, we're going to be practicing our addition skills. Our target is, I can show different ways to make a number that is less than or equal to 10. So on our board here, I've written the numbers 0 through 10. And we're going to play a game today that's going to help us with our addition skills. It's called Domino Addition. Have you ever played dominoes before? Do you know what a domino looks like? I'm about to show you. I have here a domino. This is what a domino looks like. I actually have several of these dominoes. A domino is divided up into two parts. So on this side, you have a square that has 1 dot. On this side, you have a square that has 3 dots. So what do you think we're going to do with all of the dots on our domino today? You guessed it. We're going to add them. So if we added the dots on this domino, we would have 1 plus 3 equals, how many does 1 plus 3 equal? You're right, 4. Great job. All right, so today I have a bunch of printed dominoes so that I can put them up under our numbers on the board. You're going to help me with adding our dominoes together. Are you ready? Okay, here comes the first one. We have how many dots on this side of our domino? 1, 2, 3. How many dots are on this side of our domino? Right, almost tricked you. There's 0. So 3 plus 0 equals how many? How many dots do I have all together on this domino? You're right, only 3. So I'm going to take this domino and I'm going to put it under the number 3. Because I have 3 total dots on this domino. All right, let's take a look at our next domino. This domino, how many dots are on this side of the domino? 1, 2. Right. How many are on this square of the domino? 1. You're right. So let's see how many we have all together. We have 2 plus 1 equals 3. You're right. 3. That sounds familiar. We just added up 3 on a domino. Where do you think I'm going to put this one on our number line? You're right. I'm going to put it on the 3. Wow, we found out 2 different ways to make the number 3. We have 0 plus 3 equals 3. And we have 2 plus 1 also equals 3. We found 2 different ways to make the same number. All right, are you ready for some harder ones? I thought so. All right, I have here another domino. How many do I have in this square? 3. 3 plus 3 equals, right, 6. All right, so let's go ahead and put this domino up on our number line. Where is it going to go? You're right, on the number 6. Let's see. Let's try another domino. How about 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals how many? You're right, 4. Am I going to put this one under the 5? No, I'm going to put it under the number 4. You're right. Here comes another one. What's a good number sentence for this domino? 2 plus 2 equals 4. You're right. We found 2 different ways to make the number 4. We have 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, let's get some even harder ones. How about this one? Ooh, how many dots do we have on this side now? Right, we have 5 dots. 5 plus 2 equals, let's see, I can count on from 5, 6, 7. 7. So let's put this one under the number 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Let's see, how about this one? Ooh, once again, we have a dot 5 on this side. 5 plus 1 equals what? What's 1 more than 5? 6. You're right. Ooh, I think we just found another way to make the number 6. We have 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. Great job. Here comes another one. How about this one? How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 2 equals, let's see, let's count on from 4. 5, 6. We got another 6. Now we just found 3 ways to make the same number. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. Whoa, who knew there were so many ways to make the same number? All right, how about one more? Let's do this one. How many dots are on this side? Right, there are 4. So 4 plus 3 equals how many? Let's see, we could count on 4, 5, 6, 7. We found another way to make the number 7. Wow, we have 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. You guys are so good at this. Let's see if we can try to write a number sentence for one of these. How about, let's try a really tricky one. How about this one? We haven't seen this one yet. How many dots are on this side of our domino? Go ahead and count them. 6. Whoa. We have 6 plus 2 equals how many? Go ahead and get your whiteboard out and see if you can write that as a number sentence. We have 6 on one side plus 2 equals, you could use your number line, you could count on in your head. You have 6, 7, 8. 8. We wrote a number sentence to go along with our domino addition. Great job. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one up under the number 8. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go find your math book. Okay? See if you can find your math journal and open it up. See if you're looking at the green side, so not the yellow one. Look at the green side, open it up, and you're gonna open up to page number 11. Okay, so open it up to page number 11 and get a pencil out. We're gonna write some number sentences for dominoes. So look here, see how they wrote on their page? They have 5 dots on this side plus 1 dot equals 6. All right, so I'm going to give you some dominoes, and I want you to write them down in your journal, okay? So if you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause. Go get your math journal and your pencil and be right back. All right, I'm so glad you're all back and you've got your pencil and your journal out. I'm going to give you your first domino. It's gonna be a little tricky, okay? Here's your first domino. See if you can write that in your journal. Can you draw the dots on there? If I were gonna draw the dots, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I would draw 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Right. So how would I write that as a number sentence? I have 4 plus 4 equals, that's pretty tricky. I might use my number line for it this time. I have 4, and then I'm going to count up 4 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 8. Nice job. All right, so I'm going to give you 2 more dominoes, and I'm going to let you do them on your own. Okay? Here comes a tricky one. How would you write that as a number sentence in your journal? All right, you got it? You can pause it if you need to so you can draw it. One more. Let's see if you can do this one. Draw it in your journal. And then write a number sentence. What answer did you come up with? Great job. You're right. All right, for those of you who would like a challenge, I have a challenge for you. See if you can write this one as a number sentence. I wonder if I tricked you. Probably not. You're all way too smart for me to trick you. All right, well, thanks for playing Domino Addition with me today. I'll see you again next time in the math lab.